store, give her store number, describe it, and tell the price of it. We're just trying to get people to realize she's there.
Are you going to get the chickens tea? Yeah? You going to feed them? No.
Are those your friends? Yeah, those are your friends. Oh, look at
you can feed them. What do you got? A little tortilla or something? A little piece of cantaloupe?
See you later.
Oh, hey, bud, can you keep it out of the water?
That's Icky. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good boy.
Hey, go say hi to the chickens. Okay. What are the chickens' names? Din Din, Casper, and Toes. Yeah. Good job. You said them all. Kind of. Look, that's Din Din right there. And Casper is on the left, the dark head, and Toes is on the right. And Toes has funny toes, as you can imagine. You're just going to go in circles, huh? You going to come out? Okay, wave bye-bye to the camera. Georgie, stay here. Can you say bye-bye?